Typical morning. I have so many things I have to do today. And I already failed at the first one, which was get up at 10. That's what I get for staying up late to braid my hair and call people in the US to clear some things up. It's now 1 p.m. or somewhere near that. Yep, it's 1:01 p.m. and I actually need to get up. I think one of the first things I'm going to do is clean my room. I let it get really bad. I did my laundry last week and I just dumped it on the floor and left it there. So I've got to put my laundry away, pick up trash. I've just got a lot to do. And then I'll decide what to do after that. Too bad. Because it's Sunday, the cafeteria at the dorm isn't open, so I have to go out to eat. I'm just gonna go to the Family Mart down the road. BT Dubs, how do you like my braids? I'm in love with them. Absolutely. Why you blurry? I don't know why Japanese elevator doors don't close until you press the freaking close button. Oh shit. I have to go back up because I'm wearing the wrong shoes. These are slippers. They can't go outside in these. That's better. I need to take some photos before the seasons change. I'm completely failing at going out and doing anything, which is why I have no photographs to share. There's all these nice leaves on the ground now because the colors are changing. And I'm not doing anything about it. This is something else about Japanese convenience stores that I've never really gotten over how amazing it is, but this is just a convenience store, like a gas station in the US, and they sell whiskey, and Jack Daniels, and Jim Beam. In the US, you have to have a special license to sell whiskey and hard liquors in a convenience store. Also these one serving size cups of sake. These minis. This one's really cute. Arigatou.
3,643円です。食べてきますか？
はい。これ。
こっちはですね。写真撮りますか？
はい。ビデオも撮ります。YouTube のビデオ。はい。
すごいね。動画載せるの。
ありがとうございます。My room is an absolute disgusting mess, starting with a pile of clean laundry I need to put away. Hopefully it's not too bad. Switched cameras because battery! just have to do a quick disclaimer that I've gone for a walk to the Jujo shopping mall. Right now I'm looking at some of the cutest little accessories. Oh, yes. I think Japan has like some of the most fascinating hair accessories. Oh, is this a pill box? It is.
Why is everything so awesome here?
What is this? Oh.
I really want this.
Here.
But also,
Oh, here's a... okay. Oh. Wow. Mid-baps are too large for this. Another thing I think is kind of funny about Japanese style is that a lot of the young women wear clothes that you'd think only old women would wear.
that's true.
My style is comfortable.
No, but legit, do you think this would make me look bad?
Bad?
Bad.
No.
Are you sure?
It's a sweater. It's supposed to cover everything. I don't think it'll make you look bad. It's a sweater.
Very sketchy.
Sweaters in general make people look bulky as it is.
Yep, $350. Wow. Just the fact that it's so expensive. Shit.
I just love all the fur that they have here. It's incredible.
To look through with your eye and see, like, magical secrets.
Oh, I saw some of these at the stationery store we were at. They're, you know, for reading. They just make them nice looking so that, like, people can magnify their book.
That's nice.
I'm back. It's almost 9 p.m. and all I bought were some hangers, a sweatshirt, a teacup, a wine glass, and a snack. I had a chicken burger from McDonald's. It's the first time I've had McDonald's in 10 years. So I guess I don't know what McDonald's is like because McDonald's in Tokyo is very different. Oh, that feels nice. It's like 70 degrees outside and it's super hot. I think it's time to try the juice box wine. Enjoy a natural flavor and fruity taste. Please keep cool up, straight, on the rocks, or for cocktail. While at Jujo Mall, I saw so many Japanglish shirts I wanted to film them, but I was just too tired. Skibbity bop bop bop. Let's see what this is like. Having this in the juice box seems really appropriate because it tastes a lot like grape juice. It's good. Now I need to get some important studying done. I don't exactly know what I was going for with this video. It's just Sunday and I felt like vlogging at random. But I'm actually going to end the video here. I thought about showing myself doing some schoolwork, but I don't want to spend time thinking about the camera being over there while I'm trying to study. So thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in my next video. Please subscribe, hit the like button if you enjoyed my boring ass life, and I will see you in the next video. Johnny!